Thanks for tuning into this video. I'm making a tutorial series on how to design from Figma to WordPress, video websites from Figma to WordPress, and I want to show the entire process of going through this is the first video. So the first thing that comes when you're designing a website is the content. You have to design your website based on the content you have for the website, and because of that, I had to do some research about what I'm going to work on, which is a conceptual restaurant website for a Nigerian business. I've made a Google Docs showing my entire process of what I did and how I did that and everything. So I'll just take you through the process, how I use AI to get some ideas and the likes. And yeah, I'll see you there. And this is about the content for the website. And like I said earlier, every website, before you start designing, you should know the content you're going to put on the website. So content first, then design comes after. And now I was using ChatGPT to help me with the ideation of the website. So this is the name. I went on with my Mama's Kitchen. I asked ChatGPT for names of African websites. It gave me Afrofusion, Taste of Nigeria, Mama's Kitchen. I like Mama's Kitchen. Sounds nice. Branding. It gave me logo ideas, color ideas, alternate logo ideas. Basically, it's all about asking the right questions. In the other video, you'll see where I talked about the prompts I asked ChatGPT. But for here, I'm just going to show you the content is showed here, so we can move to the next part fast. Now, what I asked ChatGPT was that I'm designing a website for restaurants. What questions should I ask my clients to know the right content I'll put on the website? So it now told me like, okay, as a client, what's the main goal? So I answered it as if I'm the client. Which target audience? I answered it: families, business partners, young adults. I'm the client here, what atmosphere, casual, trust, what they clean, that kind of thing. So basically, from there, I went about section 2, history, mission, core values, and this is where I wrote it here about work, learn, blah, 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 that boring stuff. Contact page, yeah, see, this is it. Although I'm not putting all of this there, I just don't feel like putting that there. But yeah, you can do that if you want to. Service page, which is the menu, the food, the offers they show after, and the likes, and then the services, menu creation, chef, catering, food pop-ups, and all. Then the menu too. I asked ChatGPT to list Nigerian foods that we serve in restaurants with their price points, and this is it. So it makes my work so much easier. Instead of thinking about it, I'm just gonna write it down. And if I want to get the images, I'll go to Unsplash or Midjourney and I'll do all the stuff. And I'm going to show you the process of doing that. For now, so far so good is that this is the content of the website and this is how I got it. Nothing special. I asked ChatGPT every single thing here, apart from the part where I'm answering the questions like, okay, what I wanted and this. I'm taking like a business owner here. So overall, that's everything. To show my previous question to ask ChatGPT. I'm building a website for. Let me zoom in. I'm going to say for Nigerian restaurants, what questions ask my client to come up with a great copy for Euro section? And you see, for the Euro section, this is Euro section, and for the restaurant homepage, could you give me some content for the homepage restaurant, Euro text, blah 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 blah. Yeah. So generally, it's a good idea to have dedicated menu page. So I don't know, whatever you're working on, try asking ChatGPT questions to give you ideas. For this one now, I generated the now reframing to an about section of the website, and I'm going to come up with a about section for the website without having to think about it by myself. Do you get the idea? So it's a conceptual product. You see, if you have a client project that you want to use ChatGPT to, you can use it to help you work on the copy, improve the copy, and so much more. Since clients don't know copywriting unless you're working with a marketer, and yeah. So that's the idea I want to share with you. And before we break down into the ideas and inspiration, and now I'll show you the websites where I got sketch ideas. I kept it in my keep, and now these are website examples that I saw online that are not offline at all. So let me show you one. Open link. Many businesses don't take their website seriously, and it's so funny. So this is one I saw, even though it's owned by Egyptian blah blah stuff. They are really okay. Let's see. Johnny, who we are. This is the home page, right? This is the home page. Look at it. Look at the home page of websites. This is not fine now. Come on the desktop experience. So look at. Are you kidding me? This cannot be this is the home page of a website. This I was angry. I didn't like this at all. So I'm thinking of maybe reaching out to the business and like seeing how I can help them out to improve that. But let's look at the next one. So basically, I just compared list of website I saw that I liked a bit, or that I just examples to work from, because I was like, oh, how should the restaurant website look like, And none of them gave me good ideas to work with. Look at this. You see pictures here. Click access menu. The menu is now. If I go there, will it? Let's see. Okay. Wow. So this I didn't go this for the first time. So look at the menu. It's not fine. I'll be honest, but it does have a good tab. I get the idea of this. It makes sense. The tab is, but it doesn't have any pictures too. So it should have pictures now. So either way, not good enough, but it's okay. And I think they did a good job designing it. But the person tried, but could better. Honestly, I'm not sure could better exactly. But man, I don't know. It feels so off. What's this logo doing here? Quick access menu. This is the home page. Look at how it looks like. Okay, that's it more. Yeah, so many websites could be better, and that's why I'm trying to be careful when I'm working on this project too, because I want it to be very very nice, and I'm sharing my process so you people can learn from it too. And this is another person's website, explore gallery. Like, why should we also the gallery in the home page first thing? Your website is for people to come and see what you offer, your food and all, and that's the thing. And this is why I was very careful with the content base here first. Content first, remember, content first. Then now, Polymer website slow to load, poor navigation, confusing error section, and no clear explanation menu of what to expect. And that is it. This is why I didn't like him. Can you say I gave him stars? 3 star. Yeah, let's move on. Now, you saw an example of a website that we can get an idea from to work on this project. Now, let's go. I saw it from Envato Market. They have restaurant teams. This is an example. So, firstly, let me show you how this one looks like. So, a default home section. Let's look at it. I like this. Welcome to our luxury restaurant. Get the feed or our food. So, yeah, more food. If you go to more food, what do you see? Okay, it's taking back up. But what I want my own to look like is something like this. Then when you press more food, it will take you to the main menu section over here. Menu tab, menu list section. So yeah, this is very nice. I like this. And if you come here, to show you pictures. What I show you? That is menu, then reviews. But this one is not review. This is more like when they are open. Five orders, Nigerian members, the specialties awards one. This is nice. Main dish starters. I like this. This is nice. Food menu. Let's take it back up. Oh wow. I just feel this would be better. But this is also nice. So I'll use this idea here. So that's the thing about getting inspiration. Look, I didn't look this far. Now I'm making a video and that's why I'm understanding some things. So yeah. This is nice. I like this. It's showing how the restaurant looks like and images. So just like gallery now. I get it, a gallery. And this is just the home page. And this is awards one. Awards one. So that's the first time in awards. Get in touch. Yeah, this is it. So now this is a good one. I love it already. I don't know if I can buy the team, I'll let you guys know. I'll get it for free. Anyways, now this is one website. Now there's another website again that we can see. This is restaurants home one. This is another one. Let's go to the second one. This I love this already. So this is already giving me ideas of what to work on, and I don't want too many pages on the website. So home page, about page, contact page or reservation page, and menu page. That's 4 pages. Now I want to say thanks for watching the first video, and I hope you liked it. Now the first video was to help you understand how to organize your content and a little bit of research on how we like get inspiration and the likes. Now in the next video, I'm gonna be going more in depth on how we do the sketching, the wireframes, and other stuff. Because each of this process, you need to involve your client in how you do all of these things. So you don't just, oh, I need a website. You come to the website. Oh, this is a website. Like, if they are involved in the process, they end up valuing the whole thing more. So we'll talk about the logo, talk about the logo, the colors, and everything. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I'm using ChatGPT to help me do this better. Now, I hope I'm not overwhelming you, but the next video, which will come out like in maybe 5 days time or a week's time, I'm not sure how I'll be uploading the videos, but I want it to be as fast as possible. So that's it. Thanks for being here with me in this process, and I hope you are getting value. Again, please let me know what you think. Send me DMs on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll be very, very happy to get your feedback on all of this so far. Have a great one. Keep learning and stay flaming. Bye.